If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Bitcoin Update, and I want to tell you that there are 3 more days to close the signal channel for January entries. If you guys are interested, check that out. All right, so going back to this chart right now, we have 3 days 20 hours to close the weekly. On the monthly, I don't know how many days do we have to close the monthly. We have 2 more days to close the monthly time frame. Okay, now I don't know how January is gonna end up being, but it's gonna be interesting to see the month of January and how the month of January is gonna start to look and shape up for crypto. The question is, in the next coming few days, which is actually 2 days and 20 hours from now, how are you going to end up being? I mean, you have only 2 days to actually make some red candles, in my opinion, and in the next 2 days, by the end of the month, if you actually try to drop below 15,314, which I really expect this to happen, then you lose this level, you continue and you continue lower, which is the first technical target to drop to this 12,000 level. So you came down like this, made the bear flag like that, pop out of the bear flag, and you're looking for that huge $12,000 drop to the downside. So that can happen in January, probably. I don't know if they're gonna represent us with this huge red candle, but something tells me I can expect a candle like this in 2 days. Yeah, honestly, we can. I mean, come on, if it happened here, it can happen here again. Move all the way down to 13,000 and open up another candle, then move all the way down to 12,000. Who knows, if you get really nasty, you move all the way down to 10,000, a little bit like that. So something to pay attention to. We do have a bullish divergence. We have a falling wedge that is actually trying to come in as well. Now let me actually try to see the next level, or maybe perhaps we have a lower channel, and this could be something to talk about. No, I don't think so. Nope. I don't think we have something here except right there. Let's see if we have something right over here. And yeah, okay. All right, now look at this. We got a little bit of a channel going on here because of this support right there, that support right over here. We got this support right over there. Now, if things were to get ugly in this zone, we have this fall right over there. We got this fall right over here, and we need a fall that can take crypto all the way down to this line and potentially bottom out, because you can see this is where, by the way, you can actually bottom out 6,597 or wherever this line gets touched. Okay, so come down here, maybe trying to move up, but that's not guaranteed. Okay, I'm just trying to figure out if this is a trend line, but it is actually a trend line, but I cannot be so sure you're gonna go all the way down to that lowest part of the trend line. That's not a very confirmed scenario right now, but what is confirmed is that you went down, you went up, you went down, you went up, you went down, fake out to the downside, huge descending triangle, a continuation pattern, by the way. Now, for some reason, this is a weekly. Someone can say and make the argument that this descending triangle, number one, has this following technical target from the top to the bottom right there, and you take the top to the bottom, you broke out of it, you went for the retest, you got rejected here, and yes, we're looking for 10,000, right? It's in play. And for some other reason, it's also safe to say, actually it's pretty safe to say, that if you take this top to that bottom as well, because this is a continuation pattern, you went like this, boom, you drop down, it's a pennant. Someone can say it's a continuation pennant, and the technical target, instead of starting from here, can also be starting from there, okay, on the weekly, and then you drop out of here and it actually takes you 7,369. It's another possibility. I mean, it's not wrong to say that. It's actually pretty accurate. But if we have 8,500 on the monthly, I mean, it can make sense to even go down 7,369. I'm just saying, and it actually even takes you to the lowest part of this, channel right over there. Do you notice that? Like, this is one here, one there, again one here, and the thing is that this is a confirmed trend line. it is a confirmed trend line. The rule of thumb of why it's a confirmed trend line, let me tell you why it is a confirmed trend line. So we're going to go to Google and 3 touches to confirm a trend line. Okay, so if I do bring in here, for a trend line to be valid, the price has to touch it at least 3 times. It's not enough to draw a trend line based only on 2 touches of the price. So basically what I want to say is simple, that this here, 1 and 2, doesn't really qualify like a trend line, but I still dropped it right there because just in case we ever go back up and touch it, that upper trend line is gonna get confirmed. But however, if you have this 1 touch, 2nd touch, not confirmation, but this 3rd touch made the trend line confirmation. So this is a trend line in play, and it could actually be big if you look for Bitcoin to drop all the way down, and this could be potentially the bottom scenario, and this could be a very big descending broadening wedge, which is actually a bullish pattern that is meant for you to break out of it, backtest, and you go back up all the way to where you came from. So look at the bigger picture, guys. That could be pretty awesome. You get the biggest discount ever. You get to buy the biggest discount. If you get it right over here, we're talking about nearly a 9x to the upside. And if you do go back up here, I don't think you're going to stop at 69,000. I think you're coming all the way up to $100,000. So that's pretty much it for this update on Bitcoin right now. I'm going to see you in the next one. Hello, Hafiz.